Right. So in today's lesson, we're going to learn about some things about waves. We're going to learn to describe waves. Okay? So in other words, we're talking about the characteristics, the features of waves. Raise your hands if you've got a phone at home. आपका अपना भी mobile phone है. Got a mobile phone at home, right? Can you describe your phone? Anything?
iPhone 6, it's like very slim.
iPhone 6, no features या मतलब उसके बताया कैमरे कितने स्पेक्स का है
मुझे
या
ये नहीं पता.
वॉइस को पता होगी ना ये चीजें
64 GB
64 GB का
iPhone.
ओके सो स्टोरेज इज 64 GB कैमरा कितना होता है उसका
सर नहीं पता.
सर इतना नहीं हमें पता होता.
हमें सिर्फ फोन चाहिए. हमें
We are only concerned about the phones.
चलिए ठीक है anybody that knows the features of their phones कि कितने मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा है कितनी उसमें रैम है कितनी उसमें स्टोरेज है things like that.
No.
Sir,
We only care about how the picture.
I only know the features of Q Mobile
Yes, we only care
F16.
about.
Q Mobile
आपको
F16,
मेरी तरफ
Snapchat
से
28.
So okay, I'll talk about my own phone. Okay, so this current phone it has 32 GBs of storage. It has 4 GBs of RAM, 16 megapixel camera, 1.2 quad core processor, Snapdragon. ठीक है?
We can't
So
understand
तो थोड़ा सा मैं what I'm doing is basically I'm describing some of the features of the phone and if I describe the features well enough तो एक अगर tech savvy एक person होगा जिसको अच्छी तरह से बहुत सारे phones के पता होगा maybe he might even be able to shortlist and even pinpoint कि मैं किस phone की बात कर रहा हूँ, right? So या for examples मतलब शायद इसमें शायद आप लोग थोड़ा और ज़्यादा आपस में कर सके रिलेट कि आप लोगों से मैं अगर ये बात करना शुरू करता तो डोंट डू इट लेकिन यू स्टार्ट डिस्क्राइबिंग ईच अदर तो आप कहते हैं कि अच्छा द गर्ल विद दिस आईज उसने इस किस्म के हेयर स्टाइल बना लिया हुआ है उन्होंने इस किस्म के जो भी इयरिंग होता है ना सो उन्होंने इस किस्म के इयरिंग पहना हुआ है and you go on to give this lengthy description. The more you describe, the more chances you'll be able to pinpoint that person, right? So things like that. So basically, जो describe आप कर रहे होते हैं, कुछ features के through आप describe कर रहे होते हैं, उसकी eyes ऐसे थी, उसके nose ऐसे थे, उसके ears ऐसे थे, उसने ये पहना हुआ था, things like that. So these are the features, these are the characteristics or the attributes using which you're describing that person. ठीक है? So similarly, the attributes of a wave describe how a wave is. ठीक है? ये उसके features को बताते हैं कि ये कैसी wave है. ठीक है? So some of the key attributes that we have when describing waves are its amplitude. ऐसे बात है physics की कुछ jargon आएगा इसमें terminology है. So amplitude, frequency या period they are interlinked. You've got wavelength, velocity, phase. Depending on the type of wave, there are two types of waves. आपको पता है एक होते हैं transverse, दूसरी होती है
Longitudinal.
तो longitudinal, right? तो depending on that, नहीं opposites not mechanical. Mechanical जो है मैंने electromagnetic के साथ रखा था, right? So depending on the type of wave, so you can also have some things like crest, trough, compression, rarefaction, like that. ठीक है? And you're describing different parts of a wave in this way. And when you give such a great description of a wave, you can know exactly किस particular wave की आप बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? So these sets of attributes uniquely identify a particular wave. इस तरह से आप समझ लें. ठीक है? It's like identifying you. So we're going to define these key terms before we move on to some interrelationships between these, and finally I'm going to give you a graphical representation of all of this ताकि आप इसको मैप कर सकें कि exactly किस तरह से ये ग्राफ से आपने ये चीजें डिटरमिन करनी है. ठीक है? Right. If we start off by defining the following key terms. So define the following. ये define का मतलब क्या होता है?
Specific.
So define means to be specific. to specify something, right? So हमने वेग बात नहीं करनी, हमने टू द पॉइंट बात करनी है, और एक ऐसी कोई बात करेंगे जिससे एग्जैक्टली पता चल जाए ये क्या है. We're going to use all the key terms that are involved with this definition, ठीक है? And we're going to be very specific about the things we're going to say. अच्छा, amplitude. Amplitude is number one. So amplitude is the maximum displacement of a point from its equilibrium position. From equilibrium position. Okay? So remember how we said that ordinarily all the particles, all the field strengths, everything is at a neutral point. It's called a mean or equilibrium point, right? तो वहाँ पर तो normally होती है. However, a wave comes along, a disturbance comes along, and that disturbance then gets carried forward, and so the particle or the wave or the fields, they will oscillate, right? They will move about this fixed position. हमने ये सारा describe किया हुआ है. So that fixed position is known as the equilibrium position. That's the state of rest before disturbance. Okay? So the amplitude is the maximum displacement. How far does that particle go away from its rest position, from its equilibrium position when it is disturbed? Naturally, अब आपको अगर मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ, मैं कहता हूँ कि फाइन इफ आई गोट अ रोप, तो मैं अगर ज्यादा एनर्जेटिकली उसको मूव कर रहा हूँ, ज्यादा जोर से मूव कर रहा हूँ, so to say, तो the amplitude should be
More.
greater. ठीक है? So it should increase, it should be more, it should be greater. So the amplitude has a direct link with the energy carried by that wave. So for example, इसको बंद कर दो, काफी अब तक तो बेहतर हो गया. So let's let it pass. Okay, fine. So the amplitude is directly linked with the energy that's carried by the wave. Okay? So you can also sort of say linked with energy transfer.
So directly proportional to the energy?
Yes, the greater the amount of energy from that disturbance, the greater the amplitude is going to be. Okay?
Okay.
Check. Number two, you've got frequency या time period. ठीक है? So frequency and time period, they are interrelated but they are not the same. We're going to start with frequency first. Frequency is simply the number of wave cycles. ठीक है? A wave, अभी मैं आपको wave cycle describe करूँगा diagram के ऊपर. So the number of wave cycles traveling through a point per second. ठीक है? इसको थोड़ा सा मैं शॉर्ट करके देख देता हूँ. So the number of complete wave cycles passing through a point per second. So for example, if you've got 3 complete up and downs, पूरा up and down, up and down, up and down like that, ठीक है? 3 complete up and downs in 1 second, it means you have 3 complete oscillations, 3 complete cycles in 1 second, and so you have a frequency of 3 cycles per second. इसका यूनिट होता है hertz, ठीक है? अभी यूनिट्स में सारा नहीं चला है, लेकिन वैसे ना बोला. So the frequency in that case would be 3 hertz, ठीक है? The time period is related to the frequency in the sense that time period of a wave is the amount of time taken by one complete cycle. ठीक है? So how much time did one complete up and down take? It could be a part of a second, it could